Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're just going to give you a quick top tip to prevent things breaking on your Volvo. Now, for your cars like mine, you lock and unlock the car and the mirrors fold in and out, which is a nice feature, protects them in car parks, protects them if you park it on the side of a road, etc. But it's a feature that can actually prove quite a headache in frozen weather. Now, the UK was rocked by an absolute freeze. We had -20 at some points in sort of Scotland area. I think the lowest we had at home was -15, which was rather cold. But what happened was my mirrors froze in, which was a bit of an issue because obviously you need your mirrors when you're driving. But another issue that can happen is actually the frost can actually break the motors, puts excess strain on the motors. They try and push through the ice, and as a result the mirrors don't open. Now, an easy way to avoid this issue is to actually deactivate the key sort of caused, or the key induced unlock and lock opening. So we're going to show you how to do that quickly. All you need to do is hop in the car, push the key into the dash, like so. Press and hold the start-stop button without your foot on the brake to get the ignition to engage. Now we're going to head to menu, go down to car settings, side mirror settings, turn our air conditioning off, side mirror settings, fold mirror when locking. All you're going to do now is press enter, and the box is no longer checked. Now we're going to take the key out, go back outside the car again, and test to see whether it's worked. So we've got press the lock button here, and now the mirrors don't fold in. Now, if your car has electric folding mirrors but they don't fold in during the unlock and locking phase, then all you need to do is the reverse of what we've done. Hop in the car, place the key in the dash, ignition on, press menu, car settings, side mirror settings, and enter to make sure that box is checked. A nice simple little trick that you can do to protect your mirrors in the winter. It's worth doing, I think, especially if you live in a place where it's quite moist. Where I live is very moist. There's a lot of water in the air. Every morning that I come out, the car is frozen. That moisture can get up inside the mirrors and freeze them solid, which obviously then causes issues in the long run. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you to the subscriber that recommended that I made this video. Cheers.